The few YouTube channels which you should be seeing for better knowledge of finance, for better knowledge of investment banking, that would be number one. So this is Aswath Damodaran, very interesting guy, and he teaches in American university, guys. And whatsoever he teaches, he uploads the same classes on his YouTube channel. Means आप अमेरिका में जाके नहीं पढ़ सकते, you can't go and study in America, but you can access the same YouTube videos from his channel. So that is the benefit, right? So this is number one. Number two, so and he has the he had uploaded almost the complete playlist, guys, and in that playlist he had uploaded almost the videos of for last so many years of all the subjects and all the classes he had taught. So it's a good channel and I want you to explore this, right? Next is Monish Pabrai. He is also very good and very famous as well. You must be knowing him as well, right? Good channel, free channel. No selling takes place in this channel, and it's good as well. God of valuation, you can say. Absolutely, guys. One more thing. I will be asking you the time when I'll complete topic. I'll ask you to chat or I'll ask you to ask questions at that point of time, because right now I can't read your questions. So I will be just finishing and completing a topic, and then you can you can ask your questions, or you can send your message. I will be reading a message afterwards, right? Now, this guy was very famous, Manural Patel. Now he teaches with an academy. No need to buy the stuff, but he has good videos of economics. So, kabhi you want to learn some economics, quite authentic and very very old. It's of our times when we started our career, right? Now, learn stock market, e-learn markets. Good channel. You learn multiple things over here, right? So again, a good channel, easy to go channel, and means whatever he teaches in a very very easy way. So you can use this channel as well, right? Now coming to this one, Vishal Khandelwal, he's having a website as well, and the website is Safal Niveshak. You can read his blogs, and the website is also good, guys. He uploads good videos on finance, so good, authentic guy to learn from. A few more economics explained, very easy videos, easy to understand concepts. You will have good clarity after watching these videos, everybody, right? Now, Econ, again, a very good website to learn the macroeconomic things. Again, a good website to learn from. Apart from this, guys, I would say nowadays there are multiple websites. Akshay Srivastava is also doing good in terms of CA Rachna Ranade. You must be aware of these I would say finfluencers. Apart from this, guys, I would say there is a guy Pushkar. He uploads multiple videos in Hindi, so you can explore that as well. So let's read some chat.